Before you start Googling how much capital is needed to start a residential assisted living home, here's what you should know. It depends on which of the 4 routes you're going to choose to get started. If you're going to buy land and build a custom home from the ground up, this is going to be one of your more expensive routes. It's also going to take the longest. Think 1 to 3 years, depending on your contractors and architects. Second, if you're going to buy a single family home and convert it to become a residential assisted living home, this is going to cost whatever real estate costs in your area, plus the amount of the renovation or addition needed. If you're starting with a smaller home, it's going to be a lot more versus if you're starting with a home that already has a large footprint and you're going to be maybe just changing a couple minor things. The third way to get started, and one of the cheaper ways, is to lease a home to use for this. You may be required to put down a first or last month's payment or help with the down payment on the house, but this can be an inexpensive way to partner with someone who they're going to own the home and have all of that responsibility. You are going to operate the business within the home. It's one of the faster, easier ways to get started. Last but not least, you could buy an existing RAL home. There's 30,000 group homes that exist across our country today, and some of them may be willing to sell to you as the new owner-operator. You can purchase the real estate, purchase the business. Not only is this a faster way to get involved, but you're paying for speed. The cost of the home, typically the cost of the real estate, plus 2 to 5 times the EBITDA that the business is earning. So, how much does it cost to get started in residential assisted living? The answer, it depends. Stay in the loop and follow us now.